In question number 3, what I've had to do before even commencing so I can find the median is to line them up from smallest to largest. Now I've got a total of 8 scores, and a half of 8 is equal to 4. So it's not going to work. I don't actually have a single median score. I've got a 4th and I've got a 5th score present. So I go halfway for my median between the 4th and the 5th. So I'm going to add half 4th and 5th scores. So half 0.75 plus 1 divided by 2, 1.75 divided by 2. That gives me 0.875 of an hour. Now that's a little bit clunky, so as we did before, degrees, minutes, seconds, or 52 minutes and 30 seconds. For part B, as before, we add up the total times, divide them by the number of people involved, which is 8, and I get 12.25 divided by 8. Now when I do the division, I get 1.53225. Now that's a clunky time, so as before, I use my degrees, minutes, seconds to give me 1 hour 32 minutes. I round that to the nearest minute. Now, in this instance, I've got 2 measures of the middle. I've got the median, 52, 30, and I have the mean. Now, if I look at the number of people involved, only 3 people figured above the mean. So it could be that the 52 minutes 30 is a slightly better measure. It's not as apparent as it might be in some cases, but the mean, if I express that, really only applies to 3 people who waited longer. So I'll put for C, perhaps the median is a better measure of the average time that people waited for assistance in this hospital.